Alright, so in this video I am continuing to test this Mustang seat. Today I am riding with wifey, and this is going to be the true test. I'm going to leave a video here of my first impressions on it, which I thought was very comfortable. The backrest there is great because it stops you from moving back. But the real reason why I'm considering this seat is for when I ride with wifey. I wanted her to be a bit more comfortable. She wants a little bit more cushion back there compared to what I normally use. So we're going to head out and we're going to test it out and share our thoughts with you. Just checking in on her because it's really cold out and actually very windy. It's about 39 degrees, and I want to say with the windshield it's probably going to be in the low 30s. It's actually the first time she comes out riding with this this much cold, but it's just a short test just to see how these bumps feel. Man, it's windy, it's howling. I don't know if you're capturing it on the mic here. So when she first sat on it, I asked her how it felt, and she said it felt pretty much the same. So she was telling me that the seat in the back feels a bit wider, which it is, but she's saying it's not necessarily softer. We're gonna have to ride it here for a little bit and give you a full update. Comfortable or not more comfortable?
I think it's more comfortable because it's wider.
Yeah? How about the cushion?
It's not cushionier.
No, it's not cushionier?
No, but it's comfortable, not uncomfortable.
Alright, so it's a thumbs up. But you still like that other one from that one time we rode more? Alright, so quick update. She's saying that it's more comfortable than what we normally ride, and I've used stock, I've used Saddlemen, I've used a bunch of different ones, and this Mustang seat seems to be a bit wider in the back, which suits her well. She's saying it's not more cushiony, so again, that's what we're looking for. So I don't think that this is where I'm going to land. There was one time I actually rented a Road Glide Ultimate, and it had the Harley Davidson hammock seat on that, and she absolutely loved the ride of that Road Glide and that hammock seat. And again, the suspension was stock, so it's not like it had an amazing suspension. This has the Wilbur suspension, which is amazing, but that's what I'm going to try next. So as far as the Mustang seat, for me, it's just not enough of a difference, and I find the Saddlemen, which is what I normally use, to be as comfortable, if not more comfortable for me. She's saying for her it's a bit wider in the back, and it is. The surface area of this Mustang seat is a bit wider than the Saddlemen in the back, and I have the Saddlemen row sofa, but for me, that's still the best seat. If I'm giving you just my opinion, if you're considering it, you don't like the hammock seat, you know, this Mustang seat may be a good option if you're riding with a pillion. So look, that's gonna do it for the overall review and impressions for this seat. We've been riding for a while, a bunch of different bumps. You know, albeit this is not a long-term review, but like I shared with you, my buddy Sammy swears by it. He loves it. So you've got, you know, 2 positive reviews. For me, it's not enough to switch because, you know, she still thinks that a hammock is still the ultimate comfort. So I'm actually going to go try to find one of those and slap it on here, and then come back and give you yet another review. So you're gonna wanna stick around if you're interested or you're considering seating options. Because once I get my hands on that one, I'm gonna come back and do a full review as well. But you know what? The Mustang seat is a good option, and I don't think it looks as nice as the Saddlemen, in my humble opinion. And again, if I'm giving you just my own impression, just for me, I think the Saddlemen is just as comfortable as this. Now the only difference is this has this like backrest back there, but you know, negligible as far as I'm concerned. But for two up, you know, I think this has a bigger surface area and therefore it's a bit more comfortable back there. So take that for what it's worth. Hopefully it helps you as you consider seating options. Thanks for watching.